How to log into FNB app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you download this FNB banking app over here. So after you install this application, tap on open and it will lead you to the user interface something like this. Now it says welcome to FNB and here you have option of login, explore or browser product shop. Now since we want to log into FNB app, you just have to tap on the login option over here. And as you do that, here you have three options. I have login details. That means you just have to mention your login credentials over here. Then here you have the option I don't have login details, and next is I want to be an FNB customer. So if you want to create an account in FNB, you can just tap on this option. Now if you want to just log into FNB app, you just have to tap on the very first option of I have login details. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to use the username over here. So you just have to mention the username over here. So enter your FNB app username to link the device. So after you enter your username, you just have to mention a password and you'll be able to log into the FNB app. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.